So now let's see how we can work around with text fill effects, and border in the text that we have in slide inside of Terabox. So to do that, let me just go around over here onto this text right here, and then go around over here onto more tools. And over here, you can see that I have these effects right here. For example, I have an option to choose solid color or gradient over here in the text, and then you can see the color right here. Or you can have no fill for the text as well. But in that case, the text is selectable, but you don't actually see it visible. So let's go around over here onto, let's say, solid color. Then you can go ahead and choose a color as you want right here, which is one single solid color. You can change around the opacity of the text as well. Apart from that, you can also go around and select gradient right here and choose a radial gradient right here or linear gradient as you wish right here. Then you can go ahead and choose the color of the gradient right here. So you can see that this is the gradient right here. You can go ahead and choose another color as you wish right here, just like this. So you can go ahead and choose this one. And then apart from that, you can also go around over here and choose another color right here. Then apart from that, you can also go around over here, add in a third gradient right here, just like this, and choose another color as well. And this is what you have. You can go ahead and change the opacity and the brightness of the color that you have as well. And you can even go ahead and then click certain like, let's say, for example, gradient color, delete it out so that you have that color removed as well. So apart from that, you also have, let's say, fill effects. So you can go around over here, add in gradient right here in the text box itself, and have the same option for this as well. You can even go ahead and change around the angle for the gradient, as you can see right here. And you can go ahead and choose different color code as you want right here for the gradient as well. So let's just go around and choose white in itself right here. And you can change around the opacity as well, and even change around the brightness as well, as you can see. So apart from that, you can also go around over here onto border and add in a border to the text box as well. So you can go around over here. So you can go for gradient or solid color as well right here. And you can go ahead and change around the border style as you want, and even change the border width as well. Apart from that, you can go around over here onto gradient and then choose around the gradient as you want as well. And choose the location of the gradient as you want as well, just like this. Choose around the border style. You can go ahead and choose the border thickness as you want, just like that. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with the text fill, the fill effects for the text, and the border in slide in Terabox. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.